If you've ever tried to open a file on your computer and been greeted with the error message, "Can't open this file, make sure OneDrive is running on your PC," you know just how frustrating that can be. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through several ways to solve this problem, starting with simple fixes and moving up to more advanced solutions. By the end, you'll be able to confidently access your files without any annoying error messages standing in your way. So let's dive right in. First up, let's tackle the quickest solutions, the ones with the highest chance of resolving this without too much hassle. Often, the problem is simply that OneDrive isn't running as it should. Take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen for the OneDrive cloud icon. If it's there, right-click on it, whether it's blue or white, doesn't matter. From the menu, select Close OneDrive. This shuts down the app completely. Now just open your Start menu, type OneDrive, and click the app to relaunch it. This little restart often clears up any glitches or hiccups. Think of it like giving OneDrive a quick power nap. If you're still seeing that error, the next thing to check is whether you're actually signed into OneDrive and syncing is happening. Click that cloud icon again. If it says not signed in or you see an alert about syncing being paused, you'll need to take action. Signing in again reconnects OneDrive to your Microsoft account, which is essential for accessing files stored in the cloud. And if syncing's paused, files that aren't already downloaded won't be accessible. Just click where it prompts and either sign in or resume syncing. Here, another thing a lot of people overlook: make sure your internet connection is working when trying to open a file with a little cloud icon next to it. That icon means the file lives in the cloud, not locally on your computer. So if your internet is down, OneDrive won't be able to fetch the file. Quickly check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, maybe open a web page to be sure you're online. It's such a small thing, but it could save you a ton of troubleshooting time. Next up is the classic: have you tried turning it off and on again? Reboot your PC. Honestly, I know it sounds simple, but restarting clears up many temporary gremlins, memory hiccups, stuck processes, you name it. So give your computer a quick restart, and once you're back in, check if the error is gone. If you're still stuck, don't worry, we can take this a step deeper. Sometimes OneDrive just needs a fresh start. To reset it, press the Windows and R keys together on your keyboard. This brings up the Run dialog, a handy little box for advanced commands. Type in %local appdata %Microsoft /OneDrive exe reset and hit enter. You may see OneDrive disappear for a few moments. This is normal, as it's resetting its settings and cache. If OneDrive doesn't pop back up by itself, just repeat the Windows +R trick, and this time enter %local appdata %Microsoft /OneDrive exe. This relaunches it. And if you're prompted to sign in again, go ahead and do that. This reset often clears out any corrupted cache files or stuck settings that might be blocking your access. If all else fails, one final advanced move is to completely reinstall OneDrive. Don't worry, your files won't be lost. First, open your Start menu, go to Settings, then Apps, and find OneDrive under the Apps and Features list. Click Uninstall. Once that's done, restart your PC to make sure everything is clean. Finally, head to the official Microsoft website, download the latest version of OneDrive, and install it. Once you sign back in, OneDrive will resync your folders and files, often resolving stubborn, lingering issues. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the "can't open this file," make sure OneDrive is running, error, and get back to working with your files. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions or run into a tricky situation, drop a comment below. I do check and try to help out. And if you want more helpful Windows tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your OneDrive troubleshooting.